Today, I'd like to talk about the effects of online communication. Nowadays, with the prevalence of the internet, online communication has become a new communicating method and a new trend for communicating. So, what is the online communication? Well, the definition of online communication today refers to the combination of computer technology and communications, which means to use the digital devices and electronic applications to achieve the interaction among people. To get the benefits from online communication, today I'd like to talk three of the positive effects of online communication. Firstly, online communication reflects personal information differently. Secondly, online communication achieves the mental satisfaction of young people. Thirdly, it improves the efficiency of communication. Now let's move to the first point, which is reflecting the personal information in a different way. Now, here I'd like to mention an example about online business. It is from a journal in 2013 that written by Roland Hill and her team, published in Human Behavior. It is said that some special features of personality, like anonymity, will lead to the effect on online users. However, in online business, with the communication and opinions will not be determined by appearance or outlooks, which make the online business more predictable and controllable. Um, that mean, as a consequence, by eliminating some feedbacks like appearance and outlooks, um, some personality can be hidden and will not affect the result of online communication, especially something for business. Now, after talking about the effects on personal information, let's move on to the next point, which is achieving the mental satisfaction of the young people. Um, a typical the young people is a really special group, and the symbol of this group is about college students nowadays. So I'd like to give you an example about the satisfaction of college students. Research report by Cai Nali in 2014, published in Computers in Human Behavior, demonstrates that college students can be college students can satisfy from their online communication because the online communication allows them to get in touch with their peers without fear and shyness, which makes it possible for them to increase their psychological satisfaction and well-being, so that um, consequently this new kind of communication give their more chance to interact with each other and improve the satisfaction of themselves. After talking about the young people, let's move on to the last point, which is improving the efficiency of communication. Here, I'd like to mention experiment um, made by Diana Hill and her team in 2010 and published by Computer and Educations. Here, they use their experiment used the electronic tools to made video recordings for a face-to-face communication, and after that they analyze every communicator's status. So that means they can, from that video recording, they can get plenty of data in a short time, which makes it more efficient to have a communication and analyze. So in order to get more positive effects of online communication, what should we do to adapt the new trend? Well, in my perspectives, we need to catch up the trend and use it properly. Only by doing this can we get the more information and make it benefits more for our daily life. Thanks for listening.